Hey everyone, Simon Says Money here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be presenting a stock that was just recently brought back to the stock market and that everyone is familiar with, the company WOOF, Petco. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, as a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor or a CPA. Please do your own research and make your own investment decision. This is for entertainment and education purposes only. Now let's get on to this video. I am sure that you have seen this sign in a local shopping mall. Everyone loves it. WOOF. Well, this WOOF, W-O-O-F, is the stock ticker for the famous retail company Petco. Here's the Petco site. It is nice and neat, tidied up. Well, I heard that some pet lovers even protested to the company that Petco was using WOOF as the ticker of the stock. Well, legally, the company has the right to use WOOF as the ticker, and I believe that it is a nice ticker name. Like Apple, I don't think that Apple farmers can prevent the Apple company itself with the iPhone, that kind of Apple company, from using the name Apple as their company name. Let's come back to our today's topic. Petco does everything related to our pets. They do some services like dog grooming, dog training, vet services, adoption, self-serve dog wash, in-home training, pet insurance, different stores across the country, and etc. To start off, shares of the company's stock are trading on the Nasdaq exchange under the WOOF ticker name. The Petco IPO has the company offering a total of 48 million shares of its Class A stock. Its price shares of the stock at $18 each. This has the company expecting to bring in $1,816.5 million from the Petco IPO after underwriting fees and not accounting for extra shares sold. Underwriters of the IPO have a 30-day option to acquire an additional 7.2 million shares of WOOF, the WOOF, Petco stock at the IPO price. The lead joint book runners of the offering are Goldman Sachs and Co. LLC and Bank of America Securities. Taking a quick look at the stock here. Here's the WOOF, currently IPO'd January 14, 2021. Citigroup, Evercore, ISI, Credit Suisse, UBS Investment Bank, and Wells Fargo Securities are acting as joint book runners of the IPO. The co-managers for the company's public debut are Baird and Guggenheim Securities. The IPO is set to close next Tuesday. Petco is a health and wellness company with a focus on providing its services to pets, pet owners, and Petco partners. The company was founded in 1965 and currently operates more than 1,500 pet care centers in the US, Mexico, and Puerto Rico. Included in these locations are over 100 veterinary hospitals located inside its store. It is Petco's third time of IPO since its creation in 1965. Last time it was in 2006. In 2017, they started Pet Hospital, which gives the company higher profit margin, and the service line is higher end than just selling pet stuff like toys. Foods, which usually have less profit margins. In 2018, they partnered with Express Script, which is responsible for pet medicine delivery. In 2019, Petco decided to go with various high-end approaches which are much more profitable, like insurance and delivery and etc. In 2020, Petco changed its name to Petco Health and Wellness Center. The name, the health and wellness, quote, sounds like a high-end company for a human being. And they started remodeling their retail stores, established the hospital or clinic and pet care service to provide much more variety and high-end, value-added, high-profitable services to pet owners. Petco is still losing money. The good news is its EBITDA from 2019's loss of $214,000 to last year's positive $111,000, which is pretty impressive considering the pandemic. But we look forward to its positive earning report for the next quarter. In fact, from certain aspects, Petco benefits from the pandemic because people stayed home longer, much longer than before, and they are bored. Therefore, their pets get much more attention from their owners And if you have a pet, especially a dog, you know how much care you give to the dog and how expensive it is. Pet care costs can top human medical bills, and the pet owners are willing to pay whatever cost they have to pay for the pet's wellness, like we treat our little kids. I truly believe that the pet service business has a bright future, and Petco is the leader in this industry, and its name awareness and reputation are excellent. WOOF was IPO'd 2 weeks ago at $18. The first day it soared to about $30, then dropped continuously to now about $26 or so. Petco stock makes me think of another company, Chewy, ticker symbol CHEWY. Chewy stock share price has been quadrupled during the last 52 weeks. That's pretty impressive. In the beginning of January 2020, it was around the $29. Now it is at over $100. Let's compare these two companies. We have Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY on the left, and Petco, ticker WOOF on the right. Share price around $105 and $26. Market cap $42 billion for Chewy, $8 billion for Petco. The PE, price to earning, negative 0.65 for Chewy, negative 0.02 for Petco, so it's at its insanely cheap price. Price to sales 6.37 compared to 1.68. And the services that Chewy provides, they are a pure play e-commerce business in the USA. Pet food and treats, pet supplies and pet medications, and other pet health products, as well as pet services. For Petco, their services include pet health and wellness retailing of pet consumables, supplies, and companion animals and services. Outpatient veterinary care services through Petco clinics, televeterinarian services, pet health insurance, grooming and in-store and online training, pet consumables, supplies and services, 1,500 pet care centers in the United States, Mexico, and Puerto Rico. We can see that Petco offers much more high-end and high profitable and sticky services than Chewy offers. When I say sticky services, it means once a pet owner starts a service provided by Petco, the pet owner would be sticking to the service for a long period of time, and usually such a service is highly profitable for Petco. Like currently in the SaaS industry, software as a service, subscription service instead of purchasing software to install. Petco just did IPO 2 weeks ago. The fluctuation after IPO is normal and eventually consolidation for a while, but I believe because of its various and high profitable high-end services, its widely spread physical retail stores, and pandemic making people stay home much longer, so more time to take care of their pets, Petco has a really bright future. I expect WOOF to jump soon, and I believe that WOOF is a long-term value investment instead of investment in the Wall Street bets like GameStop and AMC, which they are down so much, GME and AMC. And yeah, WOOF, the Petco, is a very good long-term investment in my opinion. You can take a look at GameStop really quick. Today it was down a whopping 60%, and this doesn't have the after hours market, but it was all the way down on to the low at $74.22, losing nearly 70% of its value. AMC down 41.2%, going as low as $6. On Friday's high, it was all the way up to $17.25, and we can always learn a valuable lesson from that. So that is my take on the Petco and Chewy stock. If you found this informative or you learned something, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Let me know in the comments on your thoughts on the Chewy and Petco, ticker symbol WOOF stocks, and see if you have any. Are you planning to buy stuff in the near future this week? Let me know. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.